So let's create our next section, and it's gonna be a client section, right? So again, we're just gonna use a bracket snippets, right? The section we saved it, and over here, like I said, we're gonna use a font awesome one, right? Over here, so now I can see that we have a header, and over here we're gonna say that the name of this section is gonna be a client section, right? Clients over here. And then we're gonna say the ID. We're gonna say that this is gonna be a client, right? Over here like this. Then we're gonna say that this is gonna be a header. Well, we're gonna say that this is gonna be our customers, right? Our customers over here like this. Then we have over here a end, right? End of, let's say it's gonna be again clients section, right? And after that, what we would need to do is over here, we're gonna say that this is gonna be a column, right? This is going to be a medium, and this is going to be 12, right? Or we could have written over here small, or we could have written extra small 12. It's all going to be the same thing, right? Because we're going to be placing the carousel within this column, right? And over here, what we're going to do is we're going to write that this is going to have a div, right? And we're going to give this div a ID. And we're going to say that this is going to, ID is going to be logo. Over here like this, logo, right? And after that, we're going to say that this is going to have a class, and the class is going to be owl carousel, and right away owl theme, right? So here we're going to say owl, right? And we're going to say carousel over here like this, and we're going to say that this is going to be a owl theme also, right? So right away we're going to be including a owl theme, so we don't need to do it twice, right? And after that, we're going to create a div within here, right? Actually, we're going to create something like 7 divs, right? And we're going to write over here, this is going to be a div, and we're going to say that this is going to have a class over here of logos, right? Logos like this. And then we're going to say that over here within this div, we're going to place a image, which is going to have a source. And over here, we're going to go to images, and we're going to look for a logos. And we're going to go with logo PNG, right? And over here, we're going to write a alternative, right? That this is going to be a logo, right? And we're going to right away add a couple of classes, again, generic classes from a Bootstrap, right? So first one is going to be image over here, responsive over here like this. And then we're going to say that the style is going to be right away a display inline, right? Display inline, and this is just for a centering purposes over here. So now we have all the classes, so we can save it, right? And once we refresh, right, we should have somewhere a logo. That's right now it's not showing because we haven't activated all here, this owl carousel, right? So don't worry about it. It's going to be showing once we're done with everything, right? So the next thing that I would want to do is actually go ahead and copy this one, right? And I'm going to copy this one, let's say again, like 7 times, something like this, right? So here we're going to create a little bit more space, right? And what we're going to do is we're just going to copy this, and we're just going to paste it, right? So this is going to be what, 3 of them, right? So over here, what we're going to do is we're going to go back over here. We're going to paste it one more time, and then we're going to go back over here, and let's do a couple of times, right? So one more time and one more time, right? So this is going to be like 7 logos, right? So now that we're done with adding HTML, let's go ahead and actually let's set up the owl carousel.